Why use Yomi? It has absolutely revolutionized my practice. It has changed the way we do implants, it's changed the way we planned it, it's changed the way my referrals have accepted our implants. It's become just a fantastic addition to our practice.
It has been a game changer for my implant practice. I've been placing implants for about 12 years, and this has changed my approach completely. From planning to final results, it's been a big boost in how we operate our practice.
At every level, there's so much safety and this high standards. So we really enhanced our standard of care to our patients. And we are very proud to say that even if it is a single implant or a full arch implant surgery, we will do it robotically because I see the value behind this technology.
This is a guided precision procedure. You can actually use your pre-plan and guide where the implant is going to be. It's literally 30 seconds to make a change. There's no way you could do that without the Yomi.